So as you see, these lines are coming in from the other side of the wall, which is in the master. Okay. That one I'll cut it a little shorter, just to make sure it's flush with the wall. Installed all of these. Everything is nice and snug. And see, there is the shower head connection. You see the screws in there. So it was nice and easy to install after I put the board behind it and secured it. So we'll have a little Teflon tape and wrap around here. And hopefully somebody stronger than me can get it to rotate into the right position. Because mine, when I put it in, it was cocked sideways. And we don't want our shower to do that. So I'm going to leave that off for now. And tomorrow morning, I will run these two lines, drop these down in here, and connect them to the shark bites under the house. Yes, I have to go back under the house, but it should be a quick and easy fix. I have the clip that removes the shark bite, so it shouldn't be a problem at all. And once we do that, then we're ready to pressure test the house for leaks.